Have you ever wanted to get started with woodworking, but you don't know where to start? Well, the good news is Rockler Woodworking and Hardware here in Claremont Mesa has an incredible array of selection of classes and demonstrations that you can come and check out and get hands-on. So today I'm here with Mike Durlack, where we're going to talk about the upcoming schedule of classes, make and takes, and the demonstrations that are happening most weekends.
Yeah, every Saturday we have free skill building sessions, demonstrations, covering various different type of woodworking techniques. So some people, maybe they haven't tried something before and they want to get a little more comfortable with it. So we have some really good instructors teach at Palomar College and work here at the store. And they can come on and really show you how to get, to the next level on your woodworking or explore something that maybe you never did before. You're a little hesitant to try just by yourself at home with just watching YouTube.
Which is so great because, like you said, some of those teachers are actually staff here at Rockler, which is why it's so important to know that you can always come in and get the guidance and help that you need because everyone has knowledge and experience. That's part of the job here at Rockler.
That's it. You got to be a woodworker to work here. Yeah.
So then there's classes where you can actually get hands-on and take stuff with you. So we have an array of projects here. This is what's coming up.
Yeah, we're going to do this on a repetitive basis. We're going to be doing them a lot more in the future. This is called make and take classes. So one of them we've tried for the first time is going to be making a dog ball holder for the pooch.
I think Sam needs one of these. I think I might try to come to this one.
Yeah, that's great. So what happens is you don't need any tools. You don't need any experience. We have a really qualified instructor. We have everything out here on the front porch. We provide all the raw materials. You just show up and we're going to take you through the whole process. Now, sometimes we might not have time to put a finish on that, but we'll talk to you about what you'd like to do and help you make the right call.
To make sure that they can follow the steps at home because for a dog bowl holder, if we're going to put water in this, obviously we want to make sure this wood gets sealed up. Which this whole schedule of events is available on Rockler's website. We'll have a link to it from approvedhomepros.com/Rockler. Once the schedule is ready and available, we'll keep that updated so people can sign up because that's what's recommended.
Right, they'll go on the website. It's real easy. Go down, look for our classes and different things. It's an Eventbrite. It's real easy to sign up for. And but sign up early because some get really popular.
So you want to reserve your spot today. Come down to Rockler Woodworking and Hardware to learn about these demonstrations, these make and take classes, or anything else you need to know about woodworking. They're located here at 8199 Claremont Mesa Boulevard.
Do you enjoy that video? Please take a moment to subscribe. When you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips. It's all great information that covers everything you need to know for your home. So hit that subscribe button below and check out more videos.